Yeah, as a mom, I obviously don't have the same amount of time to go out riding. The EMTB is now my time machine to spend more time on trails. As a child, my bike career started when my ski coach said that we all should do something in the summer. What I remember the most from racing as a child is the moment on the start line. I remember how we all lined up, but I don't remember how we finished. The next big moment in my bike career was standing on the podium in Turkey at the European Championship. Switching to enduro was a natural progress, I would say. I found this new discipline which I really loved, and when the EWS started, I had this huge chance to be part of a pro team. That moment changed everything. When I'm thinking about enduro, I'm thinking about huge days on the bike. Suffer days, big adventure days, big days out with friends, so much joy and a lot of sweat and tears. Yeah, for sure, becoming a mom was the biggest and most emotional moment in my life. But at the same time, I had that fear that everything would change now and I as a person would change. I really wasn't sure if I could continue to do what I love the most, riding my bike just as fast as I can. Now the EMTB came into my life. And it's such a new challenge in all kind of aspects, riding and racing, and that is something I really love. I am always impressed how the e-bike extends the limits in my own head, especially on uphill challenges.
Das sind alles die Anfangsstartschwierigkeiten im Dolce Vitaland.
It makes such a big difference when I can squeeze in 1 or 2 hours me time in a day. I'm just so much more relaxed and so much happier, also in my role as a mom, when I had the chance to do something for myself. And these are the moments that matter.
I'm probably a bit special because me time for me means also I really want to suffer and I want to push myself to the limits.